Hello dear learner, welcome back to the Zoom Chemistry Hub. Today in this video we will try to learn the periodic trend by a super trick. So we have an arrangement, as you can see, that on my right side we write the periods in 2 times, and on my left side we write the group in 2 times. On the upper side of the group we write increase, and on the downside we write decrease. Similarly, on the right side we write on the top is a period, increase with period, and in the bottom we write period with decrease. First we will learn what is group and period. Group are the column in the periodic table, and they are top to bottom. And periods are the rows in the periodic tables, horizontal rows in the periodic table, and they are from left to right. Now these periodicities, that is A atomic radius, M stand for metallic matter or metallic character, S stand for shielding effect, and we gave them the number 1, 2 and 3. Similarly, in the right side below the period we have the properties. Ionization energy, we give the number 1. Electronegativity, 2. Electron affinity, 3. And the nuclear charge, 4. We give them the numbers, and also we write these below the group and period by a cross method. And now the next step I will do for you will clear you all the whole concept of periodicity in the periodic table, that when we cross period to the group and group to the period, we understand whole things, all the things, or all the properties, all the periodicity of the properties, or the periodic trend, that is atomic radius increase in the group while atomic radius decrease in the period. Similarly, metallic character increase in the group and it will decrease in the period. Similarly, shielding effect increase in the period, and here is only the exception, that is the shielding effect or remain constant in the periods, that is the exceptional case, that the shielding effect remain constant in the period. So atomic radius increase in the group, decrease in the period. Metallic character increase in the group and decrease in the period. Shielding effect increase in the group and remain constant in a period. Similarly, ionization energy increase in the period and decrease in the group. Next, electron affinity, increase in the period and decrease in the group. Similarly, electronegativity, increase in the period and decrease in the group. That's electronegativity, increase in a period and decrease in a group. And the last one, nuclear charge, increase in the period and decrease in a group. And that is the very simple and short trick to learn the periodicity or the periodic trend of properties. Hope you are learning a lot by this trick. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends and fellows. Thanks for watching.